What if one of Italy's most beautiful coastal towns was also one of its best-kept secrets? Welcome to Monopoli, a place where ancient stone walls meet the sparkling Adriatic Sea, where colorful fishing boats still fill the harbor every morning, and where every winding alley leads to another unforgettable view. Unlike Italy's crowded tourist hotspots, Monopoli offers something even more special: authentic Mediterranean charm, centuries of history, hidden beaches, fresh local cuisine, and a slower pace of life you'll never want to leave behind. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the 10 best things to do in Monopoli, from medieval streets and impressive fortresses to crystal-clear coves, historic landmarks, breathtaking coastal scenery, and unforgettable local experiences. But first, let's discover what makes this Adriatic gem so extraordinary. Monopoli at a glance. Located in Italy's Puglia region, about 40 kilometers south of Bari, a historic Adriatic port with more than 2,000 years of fascinating history, famous for its enchanting old town, picturesque harbor, and crystal-clear beaches. Blessed with a warm Mediterranean climate and over 300 sunny days each year, celebrated for fresh seafood, exceptional olive oil, and authentic Apulian cuisine. Whether you're planning your first trip to southern Italy or searching for a destination beyond the usual tourist trail, Monopoli is waiting to surprise you, and our journey begins in the heart of its enchanting historic center. Number 10. Get lost in the historic center. Every memorable visit to Monopoli begins inside the Centro Storico. Unlike many historic towns, Monopoli's old center still feels wonderfully lived in. Laundry hangs between narrow streets, neighbors stop to chat from balconies, children play football in tiny piazzas, and local families gather outside cafes as evening approaches. The streets themselves tell the city's story. Smooth limestone has been worn by centuries of footsteps. Hidden archways suddenly reveal peaceful courtyards. Flower pots decorate doorways painted in shades of blue and green. Every turn offers another beautiful photograph. Keep your camera ready, because Monopoli constantly surprises you. One moment you're surrounded by quiet medieval alleyways, the next, a dramatic opening reveals brilliant blue sea stretching to the horizon. Don't rush. Some of the town's greatest treasures aren't marked on any map. Tiny artisan shops, small family bakeries, historic churches, secret viewpoints, and cozy wine bars are all waiting to be discovered. The real beauty of Monopoli lies in wandering without a destination, because here, getting lost is often the best part of the journey. Towering above these ancient streets, our next stop reminds visitors that Monopoli was once a fortress city. Number 9. Castello Carlo V, standing proudly beside the harbor. Castello Carlo V has protected Monopoli since the mid-16th century, built under Spanish rule. The fortress formed part of an extensive coastal defense network created to defend southern Italy from Ottoman raids and pirate attacks. Its massive stone walls, angular bastions, and commanding position overlooking the sea made it one of the region's strongest defensive structures. Today, visitors can explore exhibition halls housed within the castle, learn about Monopoli's military history, and walk along ancient walls where soldiers once kept watch over the Adriatic. The views are spectacular. To one side, the old harbor filled with colorful boats. To the other, the endless blue sea. Visit during late afternoon, when warm sunlight transforms the pale limestone into shades of gold and honey. It's one of the most beautiful photography locations in the city. Just a few minutes away, another masterpiece awaits, one that reflects Monopoli's spiritual heart. Number 8. Cathedral of Santa Maria della Madia, dominating the skyline of the old town. The Cathedral of Santa Maria della Madia has stood at the center of Monopoli's religious life for centuries. According to local legend, the first church here could not be completed because builders lacked enough timber. Then, on the morning of December 31st, a raft carrying miraculous wooden beams floated into the harbor, along with an icon of the Virgin Mary. The wood allowed construction to continue, and the icon became one of Monopoli's most treasured religious symbols. Today's cathedral, completed in the 18th century, displays elegant Baroque architecture both inside and out. Visitors are greeted by soaring columns, beautiful marble floors, intricate chapels, delicate frescoes, and remarkable works of sacred art. If you visit around Christmas, you'll experience one of Puglia's most important religious celebrations. Thousands gather before dawn to commemorate the miraculous arrival of the icon, a tradition that continues after hundreds of years. Leaving the cathedral behind, the sea is never far away, and that's exactly where we're heading next. Number 7. Stroll along Porto Antico. The Old Harbor is where Monopoli truly comes alive. Long before tourism arrived, this harbor was the city's economic lifeline, and remarkably, it still functions today, every morning. Traditional blue wooden fishing boats head out before sunrise, returning with fresh catches of octopus, sea bream, red mullet, and mussels harvested from nearby waters. Watching fishermen repair their nets beside the boats offers a glimpse into traditions passed down through countless generations. Around the harbor, restaurants prepare seafood caught only hours earlier, outdoor cafes overlook the water, and benches invite visitors to simply sit, slow down, and enjoy the atmosphere. Sunset is especially magical. The harbor glows beneath orange skies, church bells echo across the old town, and reflections shimmer across calm water. Few places capture authentic coastal Italy quite like Porto Antico. Fortunately, one of Monopoli's most inviting beaches lies only steps away. Number 6. Relax at Cala Porta, Vecchia. Few European towns offer a beach quite like this. Nestled beneath centuries-old city walls, Cala Porta, Vecchia combines history with crystal-clear Adriatic water. Soft sand, gentle waves, and incredibly transparent water make it one of the most popular swimming spots in Monopoli. Families gather here, locals cool off after work, and travelers enjoy one of Italy's most scenic urban beaches. Bring snorkeling equipment. The rocky edges of the cove often reveal schools of colorful fish beneath remarkably clear water. Early morning offers peaceful swimming, late afternoon brings beautiful golden light, and evenings become wonderfully romantic as the old town glows behind the beach. Yet beneath these ancient streets, an entirely different world remains hidden. Number 5. Discover Monopoli's underground world. Most visitors admire Monopoli from above. Few realize an entire hidden city lies beneath their feet. Underground passageways, ancient olive mills, storage rooms, water cisterns, and medieval foundations reveal how previous generations survived and prospered. Guided tours provide fascinating insight into daily life hundreds of years ago. Stone presses once produced valuable olive oil. Rainwater collection systems supplied fresh water during long, dry summers. Cool underground chambers stored food before refrigeration existed. Walking below modern streets, you begin to appreciate how every generation added another layer to Monopoli's remarkable story. Eventually, those stories lead back toward the sea, where one of Puglia's greatest natural wonders awaits. Number 4. Take a boat tour to the sea caves. Some of Monopoli's greatest treasures can't be reached by land. Board a small boat, leave the harbor behind, and the coastline quickly transforms into an extraordinary landscape of towering limestone cliffs and hidden sea caves. Centuries of waves have carved dramatic grottos into the rock. Inside, sunlight reflects through unbelievably clear water, creating glowing shades of emerald, turquoise, and deep sapphire blue. Many tours include opportunities to swim directly from the boat, far from busy beaches, floating in some of the clearest water anywhere in Italy. Seeing Monopoli from offshore also provides a completely different perspective. The whitewashed old town rising above ancient walls looks even more spectacular from the sea. Back on land, adventure continues along the coast. Number 3. Walk or cycle to the coastal watchtowers. Beyond the historic center, a beautiful coastal landscape stretches for miles. Walking and cycling paths follow the Adriatic shoreline through olive groves, wild Mediterranean vegetation, and rocky coves along the route. Historic watchtowers appear at regular intervals. Built between the 16th and 17th centuries, these towers formed an early warning system against pirate attacks. Signals passed from tower to tower allowed coastal communities to prepare for approaching danger. Today, They provide wonderful viewpoints overlooking the sea. The route is especially beautiful during spring and autumn. When temperatures are comfortable and wildflowers cover the countryside, it's a peaceful way to experience another side of Monopoli, far beyond the busy streets of the old town. Eventually, exploring works up an appetite. Fortunately, Puglia is one of Italy's greatest food destinations. Number 2, enjoy authentic Apulian cuisine. Food isn't simply part of Monopoli, it defines it. The surrounding countryside produces world-class olive oil, fresh vegetables, almonds, wine, and durum wheat, while the Adriatic provides exceptional seafood every single day. Menus change with the seasons, reflecting whatever local fishermen and farmers harvest that morning. Don't miss handmade orecchiette, fresh burrata cheese, grilled octopus, sea urchin when in season, or the classic baked dish, riso, patate e cozze. Simple ingredients transformed into unforgettable flavors. Finish your meal with a glass of locally produced Primitivo or Verdecca wine, and perhaps a small serving of limoncello or amaro. Dining here is never rushed. Meals are meant to be shared. Conversations linger late into the evening, and hospitality comes naturally. But perhaps the greatest experience of all awaits beyond the city itself. Number 1, explore the olive groves and historic Masserie, leaving Monopoli behind. The landscape changes. Ancient olive trees stretch toward the horizon. Dry stone walls divide peaceful farmland. And elegant Masserie rise from the countryside. These fortified farmhouses once served as self-sufficient agricultural estates. Many have now been beautifully restored into boutique hotels, restaurants, and olive oil estates. Some olive trees growing here are estimated to be over 1,000 years old. Their twisted trunks stand as living witnesses to countless generations. Visitors can join olive oil tastings, tour traditional mills, learn how extra virgin olive oil is produced, enjoy farm-to-table lunches, or even spend the night surrounded by peaceful countryside. It's a completely different side of Puglia, one rooted in agriculture, tradition, and timeless beauty. The perfect way to conclude any visit to Monopoli. From medieval alleyways to centuries-old castles, from crystal-clear beaches to unforgettable sea caves, from bustling fishing harbors to peaceful olive groves, Monopoli captures everything travelers love about southern Italy. History, culture, exceptional food, warm hospitality, and breathtaking coastal scenery. Whether you're planning a weekend escape, a Puglia road trip, or your dream Italian vacation, Monopoli offers an experience that's both authentic and unforgettable. If this guide inspired your next adventure, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more travel guides from around the world, and let us know in the comments which Monopoli experience you'd try first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.